Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of Into series. Today I'm going to talk about in versus exist. So what is in first? So the in operator is used to retrieve results when the specified value matches any value in a set of values or is returned by a subquery. Whereas exist is a Boolean operator which checks the results of subquery and it always returns true or false. So there are many differences between exist and in. So let's understand one by one and understand it practically also. So the first difference is minimize the multiple OR connections. So basically there are multiple OR conditions can be applied in select queries and we can reduce or we can eliminate those OR queries by putting in operator into it. So let's understand it. So here we have a table called TBL employee and where there are multiple genders. So here we can write the query by where gender in or gender equal to male or gender equal to female. So here there are one OR query over here. So here we can use or write this query by writing in operator, by putting in operator between male comma female. So both the values or both the queries will return the same result. Whereas the exist operator checks or checks the existence of the subquery. So basically the subquery will return the result or not. It does not check the value matches with the subquery or not, because basically it is only checks does any value or giving it a single record out of the subquery or not. Next comparison is, so basically in operator it compares the subquery and the parent query, and whereas it in exist it does not compare. Basically it checks the existence, does it exist? If exists, it gives the result true, else it gives the result false to the parent query. And in operator basically it scans all the records. Why? Because where in the current query it was querying all the values, it was checking male in all the gender rows, it was checking all females in the gender rows. So it was checking all rows, whereas in the exist it does not check all the rows. If I would write the same query by the exist, so here let's say exist let's say if I'm writing select department, or let's say DPT ID from, let's say we have a table called department. So here it will check the value exists in the first row or not. If the value exists in the first row, it will give us the result true and it will give you the result. Else it will, if it does not, if there is no record in the table, it will not give you the result. So next difference, it returns or in returns true, false and null. If it does not matching any value, so it returns null value, and in the exist it returns only true and false. So basically it's a Boolean operator. So in can be used in subqueries, it can be used in any values with the where clause, but exist can be used only with the subquery. We cannot use it in the normal where clause. So here you can say that you can see that in exist I have written a subquery over here, and in gender we have written a simple query where we have applied where clause only. So that there is also a difference between the in and exist. So basically, the in operator works or executes so fast if the number of the past values are less, and if the number of values or subquery result is too large, so the exist operator works well in that, because it only checks the records. If the records found in the subquery, it gives the true value, else it gives false. Next is in operator always prefers in small values. If you have small values in those brackets, or if the result of the subquery is retrieving less values, so it is always preferred to have or to apply in operator, else you need to apply exist. Next is it basically in operator checks with the only single column, and here you must have seen that we have applied where gender in, because we are just matching it with the gender column. We are applying or matching it with the single column, whereas exist matches with the all column. Does it exist or not? It checks only. So it works with the multiple columns. So basically, let's understand where do we use the exist in real life scenarios. So I'll give you the one most important examples where we do use exist. So let's say we have a table here, sys.objects, and where type description is user table, and the table name is, let's say we have a table TVL employee. So let's execute this query and we have this table. So basically, why do we use it? We just check if not exist. If this table not exists, then we will create a new table, and let's say begin, and then we will write the begin query, create table, and so on. Table query, let's say TVL employee, and then we will write the query to create it, and then end. So this is the basic practical example of exist or not exist. So in this way we can use the exist, but in operator used everywhere with the where clause. We can use it in the subqueries, we can use in the parent query, and these are the differences of or between in and exist operators. So that's it for the video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.